every bro for just understand say eye oman Ghana na ewo mu no enye obi papa de o enye Nana Akufo-Addo papa de o ina enye John Mahama papa de you get me you know be them are fathers them are own ina no be them are mothers cause oti o na o sorry no when you enter street nobody knows how they survive. So if some motherfucker nigga they won't come they can't talk in mind they won't come talk say it be get sense when we foolish people are then it means a lot. You for know where you they stand. So what I say, brothers are being killed on the street. Ghana was never like this. All we they ask we say, we know say, when our leaders, they cannot give us what we want. They can't give. You see, this matter they make at the ball. Because me, share. What me my ejuma you can't give us jobs because we know you are useless already. The politicians, all of them, from generations to generation. They have never been able to provide us what we need. They have never been able to give us jobs. So we understand. They can't give us jobs. But what we are saying be say, at least, if they can't give us jobs, they shouldn't take our voices from us. If they can't give us jobs, at least Anya Shekra, they should give us our voice. And also, they should give us the opportunity to be able to stand for ourselves. But above all, what is more important is security. When we talk about security, it means a lot. Security goes beyond your own understanding. We have social security. And we have public security. We have food. You see, security. When we talk about health and whatever, when we talk about security, it goes beyond the imagination of what people understand just in a layman's thinking. It goes beyond that. So what I say. Inti say security aye pre nyina nya hwe. Eye beye after me fan say nanabe ebe fa ekunya no for some time after 1 year echi no ye hu say takrade girls here omo kidnap about 4 or 5 of them ni nyina no. I don't know. If anybody have any information on it, any panel of kidnapping girls, no, what has happened to these girls? Imagine if your sister was one of them. Imagine if your daughter or somebody was part and they kidnapped these girls. So what I say, and these girls became a history all of a sudden. Share the video, fella. Tag them. Nana Akufo-Addo, we are on you. Meba Ghana. You people think that with a joke. Hey, we know the fear therefore. We know the fear your mother and your father. We know the fear anybody. Tag them, make them say, we know the are they come Ghana. Me Chini Jonas so. Are they come Ghana every day. Tag them. And you see me, I'm willing to go to prison for this. I'm willing to, you see me, you people not see nothing yet. You there they talk, say, you they talk, you there social media, they talk. Come to this, come, are they come Ghana? Are they come Ghana? Are they come Ghana? Me ba Ghana they be out. Me ba chilling am in am street. The committee o shame ho. Who Jimmy I too. I go fire you. Come close and see. Police for no mo ba na kwa bulletproof from ni bi. And you see me, anybody will go dare me. If they send you, you go down. And I don't give a fuck about that because my life is in my hands. Hey, who you street nigga? Who you street boy? Who you beer? Who you youth? Ewa Ghana. You cannot depend, and they tell you can't depend on the police for your survival today because it doesn't work. You can't depend on the police to protect you. Don't think about it because they don't. Only me encounters I mean Ghana police Enya Ghana. Me almost me one time they want to rob me. Police from person will rob you. Police people, and they tell you police people stop me. They see bag where them are here. Almost searching my car because they see my dreadlock. They think say, hey, my guy, me one of those people. Me one of those people. They won't search my car. Almost search here. Nyashi. Office obenya wi wo me car mu. Obenya wi wo me car mu. Busa omo me nam so omo say me shi wi a wa bodam. You won't cancel. Then sister they no get. Then sister they won't search my bag. My bag na bomb me. I'm sure I will give you my bag. Say why? I say I get money in my bag. I know if he give it to you. Money where they my bag inside. I know if he give it to you. Hey, me the bag no more man. Cause he can't come. He scan. Hey, me feel no. Not scanning yet the same. Criminals. Freaking criminals. Criminals. Hey, we were broaching now Ghana. Be careful because your life is never the same. They don't give a fuck. Police phone is on boy no. They I have encounters with the police as I'm saying to you no. Now we be Jimmy bag. Me see me farm one chale obi akoko raffle. Wa koki raffle no. Hey, you know who you deal with? Kwasia. You know that how many times me I shoot AK-47? You don't want to deal with me. Hey. Now me chin car no. Me call reverse. Almost me bra me be me ko to krobi mu. Me chin reverse now me call here now. Me pro car ni mu na me call vroom no. Obia me yomu nyina gu left say. Me yomu nyina gu left say. Now me bar reverse now me call any mu no. I swear barrier no can be bomb. I don't want to talk the location. I don't want to talk where now it be. Ghana police, they are criminals more than the people. They are the me call Madina. Blessed memory. Me bra Ansbeth awewu. Me ba Ghana na me call ni ho. Me driver serious. When we go in there, where will they come? Me them and bro go sit where we drink, where we have some nice time. Charlie, where will they come? You do Madina. Ufi Madina now ba your friend is La Pasa. Sa road no. With that top, where will they go? Where will they come? We read there, no police people where they stop we here. Police for Munya steady. Munya steady. You know they love we the street. You know they love we. But police people are using the street to destroy the street. And they tell you today. They use the street to destroy the street. You do a hold my barrier na a water from Madina Ebana. Then stop we na. And then I will can near DV. Also, boga. I be DV there. It's no offense. Minko Viashi. DV is no crime. And now Obian can say div into me and take one so. Almost saying where they your logbook. Na me log. Nyamin kwa my logging me bia come. Where they your license? Me license. Me nyamin kwa me license here intact. How much license here bia. Then si fombra. Because they see me now, they see I be foreigner. Me a Ghana need this show. Cause see your mother and your father. I was a policeman. Fucking motherfucker. I was a policeman. You don't want fuck me up for street. Kwasia. Before you can join the police, Lance Corporal phone. I say for me, mate phone. They are entering inspector. Kwasia, you are mad. You are mad. The time where we did police, now where you did. Then they start to talk. Make her calm down. Calm down for what? Boga, you stop me. I'll give you everything you ask. Is there anything else? Can you please give me my logbook? He said no. Calm down. Calm down for what? Hey, my friend, calm down. Ah, police officer, they hold me. Hey, my guy, nyabutreo, me slap you, fucking. You don't know. The rifle they hold, me, I will collect the rifle, then fire you. You don't know me. Then before we know, no, Charlie, gidi. Hey, they start to make call. Hey, me feel some friend from backup and now some reinforcement and Abibisa. Before we know, Zongo 4 boys, Madina Zongo 4 boys, now boys he from. So police form more barrier. And they tell you this today. So say you all you go think. So say you go be vigilant on the street where you did. Because you see these people, they are never for us. Now say who was street, now police for you suwa. Suyanyensan. Then start the make call. No, I say 4 motorbikes will come the scene. Gidi. Motorbikes nearby and who say Charlie street boys where then they them PS Charlie fucking motherfucker blood clot brothers. Motobia bakubia 4 motorbikes no bakubia nipa 2 in the tenaso. Baku 8 na baku tinechiri. So 8 people come the scene. They come now, hey, na mare they start to talk Hausa like them be fucking people. They don't know nothing. So one of them come close and say, Whistler, it be you. I say, oh, boss, it be me, oh. Say, oh, Charlie, for life. I say, oh, for life. Oh, Whistler, Charlie, Whistler, oh, Charlie. Them all come close and say, oh, Dr. Whistler. Then no police people now. My friend Crawford, someone be fucking me up, no. The people come, them be my boys. The people where they come, them be my boys. Them people where they call them, say, they can't fuck me up, them be my boys. The police people where 3 policemen at the duty at the barrier, call people, say, they can't fuck me up. The boys come. Nyame na ye madom senti sa boys yo mube. Nanka boys he eni mia. Inka me we ya no. They can't fuck me up. 3 people as police officers. 8 people can't add them. 1 person then your driver. Then I'm moving to me. And yet you nebi a me fire baku trim and fire 6 bullets na be a loading a bit ya. 8 people. What you go fi do? So what I say, before the boys go to the police, they go talk them, say, hey, this nigga, they deal with them, he be street boy. Leave him, Charlie. If anything, talk him cool. It be that way he saved me. And they tell you today, you people don't know this thing. Police from Morgan, you know, we use to street, you know. They use the street to fuck we up. Inti boys see, if like they don't know me, Whistler. And come here, yarn, they fuck me up. They fuck me up. So what I say, before the boys come and there, where they say, oh, they talk to the police, oh, but Charlie, boss, you anything for the boys. Why give them 200 Ghana, say, oh, Charlie, make them take, oh, Charlie. Where you say, oh, Charlie, oh, boss, why you need boss, you do everything, boss, oh, Charlie, boss, you get me? My guy, don't do that thing. The police people, where they employ them to look after us, they are the ones killing us. They are motherfuckers. They are foolish people. They are motherfuckers. So what I say, now say, asama bar, now say, yenye was street, everybody, say, what damango, or tamale, or nima, or mamobi, or alaju, or hinfa, or kaswa, or shamai. Now say, we a street boy. You be my brother. You be my fucking bomber clad brother. Because you see me, Madina boys, no mo Jamie. Say that day no. Say me a Whistler. No, me a different person be anka that day. You know what they go do? My car, they go take my car from me. It be DV. It be DV. They go take the car from me. In Kadene Bessie. I'm with the car and they call it that. I'm with the track, no border, no with the car. Police people, they call criminals, make them come, they can't take something from you. They work with them. I say be vigilant. And they tell you be vigilant. What we have in Ghana is beyond our control and imagination. It's beyond us. It's beyond just talking and just talking because you cannot deal with it. The police people being employed are now working hand in hand with the criminals, giving them AK-47s. Go and rob this person. Go. But I also AK-47 now, they call robbing. A police phone omu use AK-47 in Ghana. So where did they get the AK-47 from? Where them they get the AK-47 from? Then if Trini Jonas they talk, then somebody go there, they say no, they respect. I can say for a fact that what Trini Jonas they talk every day and how they talk in things. Maybe if they go extreme, Trini Jonas echo extreme or like who say a frustration when we are frustrated. What di here? Watch the one way to cry ko baby. Obi man so stand your moody like who timi say bibia koso kan bibia you okay. You will be frustrated because why can't we have the same in your country? Why can't you have a life when you have to struggle and come to Obi man so to come and suffer? So Trini Jonas adi oyeno a frustration. In Zambia Trini Jonas say kan na omo Jimmy na he yebu otumfo pan. We love Otumfuo and respect Otumfuo. Trini Jonas doesn't hate Otumfuo. Nobody hates Otumfuo. Nobody hates Nanado and now Otumfuo. And I said, nobody hates any of our leaders. In fact, we are cultured people, but we are frustrated individuals, frustrated citizens, frustrated youths of Ghana who want the best for ourselves and our next generation. Because when they talk to people, then they talk nonsense. When they talk, then they talk nonsense because you have not been in my shoes. When they pull gun on me, you are not there. When me at the support Shatawale, when they pull knife on me, the reason why this my hand cannot go like this, cannot share me when and me mbase biom. You see this my finger. You see this one they do like this. You see the way it go. You see the way it kwan. The way it kwan. You see the way it kwan. One the way I didn't kwan. One be man stand na kwana abene no. Aha. One say wait, one say to me nko. A knife. Enye knife. E se kan na aye boha na ehye poma mu no. Poma na ye twen no. Ebi ino omo chin wo me so. Shatawale nti. Shatawale because of Shatawale when them pull that thing on me. Then they took me right here. It be only God will save me. What hold them? Ino omo chifa me same. It be that be. You know how many times we put our life down for Shatawale? Don't come and talk me say I be sell out. Hey, you don't know me. Shatawale himself no go fit stand anyway talks I be sell out. Because I'm even car. Muna Momoba 2019, 2018 for no, 17 for no. You don't know Whistler. Don't dare anywhere them talk my matter. Like we talk where Wale listen to us. Like the street, it be safe. Like Wale will stand with the street. He will never fall a victim to these politicians. Wale is just a victim. They are using him. Wale was a good man. The man I have seen and witnessed and met him before. The man I know is not the same Wale I know. He is talking for the politicians. Because of the Kakaka, Wale doesn't see say life is important anymore. So you be a yekum krofo e jura. Police for yekum nipa bako kaka blessed memory. Nyamin fa okran ye. Wherever kaka they make in so make in ghost never rest unto the people who kill them and the people who kill in brothers. Make in now is seek justice. Make the or someone or hamper make it seek justice. Because you see, the Ghana Police Service will never give anybody justice. They will not give us justice. The street will not get justice. The street will never get justice for this. Because you see, if the street will give us justice, IGP will not come out and say that the police had every reason to shoot because they were left with no option apart from. Make I tell you, you see, when you are to disperse mob, and your police need be not dispersing mob, you were special teamer, you were special teamer, dispersing mob. So what I say, we have special police team where they disperse mob, understand? And those people, when they go disperse mob, then have a special skill. Because they've been trained to do so. You understand? Me want police training. No. Say, yeah, training and how to disperse mob, how to combat. Intinu, in roles. And certain particular patterns are. A movie. A movie like A. So what I say, no. A bit say, you crash shield. Any adeba. Now you cry tio because you hear tio to disperse mob. What you need is your shield. You need your rubber bullets. You need your we say pepper spray. All those things you need because of emergency. Until you build it, no ebi fi say eba. Na ebi nso fi say eba. So what I say na ebi e won finfin say. Until ya twem na ye won finfin say no. When mu omo move no mo kwa. Nipa one na owe anim na odi enanim no odi ne shield na ekọ na ye movie na ye bo kotinu na ye de bo ade mu bang na ye de bo shield mu bang. It's a warning, a way of warning the public. Say go back bang na ye movie one step pa bang na ye movie another step bang na ye ekọ into the mob will move back. So what I say, your patterns of assembling the mob. So what I say. So they will go. Omuko ni nyina no. Na for na omuko no. I have for ni movie. Na ye for me different line. Near for me intini no ba ko no di line no. We movie nyina no. Odu ni ho a no we movie. I say ye we say party and I say ye parade bi no. Na we movie no adwene. Na we movie no adwene. No we movie no adwene. Ni ebie kwan tum. Ye bie kwan ni tum wia. That be when omo twam say no. Omo de pepper spray no. Nti yenya movie pe. Ye bie mu pe. Na obi rerem 1111. Oremu a pepper spray no. Fe. And I say wa ukra we say no kotinu. O de hange ho a where you pepper spray. Papa because ye bibia sensen ho. Where yi na pepper spray no o de shield no ekata wanimu say ya. O de kata wanimu say pe. Na pepper spray ni kura say. Na wa fire omo enimu no. Immediate mob for no. What spray omo. Full omo kura say kan omo kura tio, omo kura den. You spray their face. Because they are mob. You spray their face. When you spray their face, we say pepper spray no eko mo nimu a. Omo hu hwibiom. They can't see anybody. The people where they back, where they hold the rubber bullet to go enter. Because they BM. Because it's a professional job. It's not any job where anybody go fit do. A professional, you are trained for it. Or remwa, pa Now we fire rubber bullet. Rubber bullet, no, you fire. We know the aim where it go feel harm you like when because your eyeballs go feel when you go see anybody me abo. You fire honomo. You fire ukotoje to maim you, to break your leg, to weak you. You fire ubody. Ukotoje is the most important part. Uti side there. We don't go there because every police officer is a professionally trained person to aim and fire. So we dey use rubber bullet. Into your bioma when mu rem normal fire rubber bullet no. Omo immediately no. Ye di kan edi pepper spray go mani no. Ebinumu be stubborn. Ebia anko nani. Ono be back. Ebia bullet no rubber bullet ne be ka ne nan. Ni kotodwe obeto fem ontimi sorry. Then the third batch behind us will enter inside. And then they'll pick them. When they pick you, they arrest you because you are foolish. Instead of killing people, arrest them. Instead of killing people, instead of arriving at a scene at a jura and just taking commando star and thinking you are acting movie and just taking your gun. Do you know how many guns I shoot when I was in the service? Do you know how many guns we shoot? Do you know how many times nobody they shoot warning shoot where they shoot in the kneeling load where they fire kneeling position. Now where Amy, hey my guy, you the aim unia because of politicians. Kana no enye ye no police for no. You people look at if it's a more pass out. A motion tadi amode pass out. Motion tadi amode pass out. Now what kwako Amy unia kneeling position. Now what emu no wa fire no. And you think say God go forgive you. You think say God go forgive you. You are kneeling and firing somebody. Hey, we did not see any structure, any professional. Hey, me say, the president must be arrested or the police commander must, IGP no. Hey, so guso teswa, me can be bia. Make them bring me, make I teach them, make I educate them on how to disperse them up. Because you can't do that. They are civilians. They are civilians. They are not armed people. You almost see video na yehu we didn't see people e na omo di agitation e ko na omo ko fa etio ene omo se omo ko fa etio omo ko fa sekan ene ade e na omo de buy na omo be chase nkofo because they had lost 2 people and they have lost lives. So what I say na yekun obi onipa advocating for fix the country. We will never stop. I'm coming to Ghana. Into make ready. Munya ready na munchi mintum because see this thing, hey, you see this thing, we no go stop, we no go stop. Blessed memory kaka. Se unuya, uye zongoni, uwa mamobi, uwa madina, uwa shaman, uwa nima, uwa kotobabi, na u say, udye unuya na we unenfa hua, la ilaha illallah, bismillah. We leave you to God. May God judge all of you, the Zongo boys. Where you did there, where they follow politicians, where you did there, where you know they speak to the truth, where you did there, where you think say you anything goes. Anything goes. As long as you are eating. I swear, unless you are not a true Muslim, unless you are not a true Islamic personality, if you know the person they serve, if you know the God they serve, if you know the Allah will create you, you will not fool. Because you see me, I have had an experience. I've been a Muslim before, and I know what I'm talking about. That be why I know they give a fuck about religion, because religion can't control anybody. Religion cannot control us. I've been a Christian, I've been a Muslim, I've tasted. Maya alwala, maya bulishi, I've been baptized. My name in Islam is Rashid. If you people don't know, you can't control me. And we know the fear. Death, because we know we stand for the right cause. Anybody will go come to Nima where he say they love Nima, they love Islam. Where a do salah when he's not a true follower. He's not somebody that love the children of Allah. Now we are Muslims. You dead there. You will come there and say MPP, NDC. Are you Jimmy? Who are Muslim? Now ba who say MPP, NDC. A day no my amount. Chini Jonas asked you one thing. He asked you just one thing. Say Muhammad now who can answer no. Chini Jonas busy you say what Muhammad do give you? What Jesus Christ do give you? Christianity now then I am out. Islam now udi echire then I am out. He asks you simple question. Simple question. Loving God is a unique feeling. It comes with love. Unless love is backed by it, it's not a proper way to love God. All the things where Muhammad preached was about love. All the things Jesus preached was about love. All these people, the prophets who came and went, they came to preach about love. So what I say. So if you love somebody, you must fight for them. You must stand for them. So if you love somebody, you love your family, and you will not go and look for job and work to feed your family, and you there one corner and you the fool, you think that Muhammad go can't feed you. Muhammad, when Muhammad da? When Muhammad da? Have you seen Muhammad before? People they try make the thing look like Trini Jonas is a bad person. Trini Jonas sometimes, oh yeah, video na nyabutre na explain in your drum. I beg you. Oh yeah, gong bitter. If you they make your video, try then take your time to explain things. Sometimes, can semnu bogaya. People know they understand. Then you want incite Muslim boys against somebody where they fight for them. Zongo for mona mo blow, mona mo ble, mona mo ble, mona mo ble. It be you people. Sa kwano say wine dawa, wine media dawa. Oya dawa we jimiana. You for think you don't get head. This thing is not about trend, it's not about popularity, it's not about fame, it's not about anything. It's about standing and fighting for what is right. Now, say you know, when we say we media dawa Jimmy for now we inciting Muslims. When you know this guy is saying the right things, because at the end of the day, we all want omo social media not omo pushing say make we give them money. You are not there. You know how many people they ask me for money? Asia. Trini Jonas, they talk something. Obi bia nintina Ghana brebi o Jimmy for. Say president nintina Ghana for ye bra o ye Jimmy for. Say nana numuntina ye bra omo ye Jimmy for me Jimmy for. A Jimmy for ankasa. Obi bia ye untina ye brebi an o ye Jimmy for, because you see Ghana youth, we are fucking fed up. We don't have a fucking time for anybody. We're not getting anything to offer the street. If you don't get anything to offer the street, we follow some people because we thought they have sense. Where they were fighting for the street. They made us thought they were fighting for the street. Now Shatawale, what sorry? Shatawale, just get up where they talk nonsense. We go meet for the street. At the time you go meet for the street. Don't fool. Shatawale, we go meet for the street. Because you see this thing, it's not about your Range Rover, it's not about your car, it's not about... All we want is say, Ghana youth for have a better life. If you can't help us, shut the fuck up. Shut your big mouth off. Shut the fuck up. Shatawale, if you not say you don't get anything to tell Ghana youth, shut the mouth up. Because see you, and you one out your wow downfall. When you started this thing, when you started the sack, the people where they mattered to your cause. I told you, bro, you for risen up and you for do the right thing. Oh, catch them and say, this thing be your thing, and nobody go fit tell you what to do and what not to do. But it's not about you, it's about the street. We loved you because of the street. We supported you because you said you are for the street. You said you are for the street. And then Nima, won't mean call Nima bium. Go to Nima and see. Go to Nima. Go and they challenge them. Make them step on the street. Make Shatawale step on the street. If the same love way they talk about, where we had for him, if it is still there, we are not fools. Your brother has been killed. When if you are coming to call us educated fools and disappointmental, because one co school. Hey, Boga, brain your brain. Knowledge is power. Brain your brain. And make nobody can dare and talk nonsense. Me, I have Shatawale tattoo on my chest. Fucking you. Then I am my SM. What you do for SM? You know they love Shatawale past anybody. But you see me, I know they follow nonsense. I be Ghana man. If it's not about Ghana, I don't want to know. We supported Shatawale because we thought he was for Ghana until we started to follow these politicians. taking money left and right, and kneeling down. Who knows this Shatta Wale 2016 when he was performing for NDC, their last and final we say campaign at the stadium. Mahama and I say Emisa 1,000 wine. Now Shatta Wale go kneel down, street person, street. We know the kneel, we know the beg for food, we know the beg. Hey, I be fucking bumbo clat man. We know the beg. We the face life the way they come to us. Be street. You go beg, you go kneel down. You see the way Shatta Wale go kneel down here for politician in face. Wait, dada. Kwasia because of coins, the mountain. Kwasia, you sell out the street because of coins. No Kofi Ogbomo. You sell out the street because of no Kofi. You sell out the street because Shatta Wale sell out the street long time. Mukobusa Lonzi Blade, Mukobusa Bone, Mukobusa Stone, Mukobusa Top Shatter Flight. All those people know the fit talk. All those people know the fit talk. When he came to me and talked to me, say make a block Natalie, block Join 77, block Adisel them. I told him to solve the problem because family is more important. Shatta movement is a family. And we don't leave anybody behind. But what they thought say, if you pay where you get sense, if you pay where you get sense, you see the way they disgrace yourself. The way they disgrace yourself. See the way you now they disgrace yourself. And you're being a commentary. We stood up for you, but you decided to disgrace the street. You are the worst thing that ever happened to us. Say we put one alive down. Shatta Wale, for you, Anya Shekuranuka, don't talk. Because we know, say, you've been corrupted. You taking money from these people. And you don't care about the street anymore. You live at East Legon. You have dogs in your house. You have CCTVs. You have everything. You don't care. The street used to protect you. You never used to have. Shatta movement was your security. We were your security. Because nobody go fit come close to you. Because the love we get for you, nobody go fit touch you. Nobody go fit touch you, Shatta Wale. But today, you messed up. You sell out the street for just no curfew. No curfew. And he go save you. Now kwa for Sikano, for Range Rover no, for Sarkas no, for enter Wadakamu, Momu Fanko Siu. Say no nebejo. Live a legacy that will testify to your own life. It's not about you. It's about the people that God put in your life. God put us in your life, so say you make us what we are supposed to be. But you have made up your mind to side with the politicians against the streets. We are after your fucking ass. We go meet on the street. Shatta Wale, we go meet on the street. And bear me, mark this on the wall. You are not safe. And they tell you, you have no idea how many people where they call me. They tell me what they won't do to you because you fuck niggas life them up. What fucking incrophobia life? Omu disika. E support you. Now be jina oka say. You see, Media House, Xylophone FM, Joy FM, Peace FM, Adum FM, and the Dustimu. Wale doesn't have anything to offer you. And they tell you from today. Wale doesn't have, you see, if he come on your show, he is just coming to defame that show. Because you see, the street bore him. The street, we bore Wale. And if Wale they talk say, we were with their social media, we know they love him. People, they talk say, foolish people with their social media say them be your fans. It be them foolish people will make you win awards. You dey talk say make them come street and see blood and bath from your real fans on the street. Kwasia. You see fan where they street, where no they come social media, where they vote online for you to win awards before. You see some before. Shatta Wale, you see some before. Logic, common logic. The educated fools you are calling us. If we use our education to push you. But today, you see say you, because one course school, you are finding it difficult to understand what book knowledge is. You are finding it difficult. School now, when we now anyhow no. You are calling us foolish and disappointed and disappointmented. Say brofuno koti wa found disappointmented graduates. Disappointmented graduates. You can't do that. Shatta Wale, nobody hates you. The love we give. Me, I'm not a fool. Kwasia for. Kwasia. Me, I'll be fool where I go tattoo Shatta Wale for my chest. I'll be fool where I go tattoo Shatta Wale for my chest. Kwasia for. I'll be fool. Kwasia, I'll be fool. Mejimiana. I'll be fool where I go tattoo Shatta Wale for my chest. It be love. But you fuck that shit up. You fuck that motherfucker shit up. We put our life down for you. All you did was to fuck we up on the face and tell us, say, you don't want go and you don't want die. They pull knife on me because of you. Mukobusa Ibrahim Gausu, when Shatta Wale came to London, 7 people were attack me because of Shatta Wale. Go ask Ibrahim Gausu, he was right there. He ran away. Ibrahim Gausu and the people around. The people where they say SM for life, SM for life. They run. They don't get hard to stand. My finger, no, they feel stand because of things where we face for Shatta Wale. Now you today, they can't talk, say, you know one, we no go fit solve this problem. Kwasia, what you go talk where the youth go listen? Kwame Nkrumah, if Kwame Nkrumah had spoken this words, you think like we'll get independence? Like you think Ghana go have independence? Shatta Wale, you were a coward. You were a fucking coward, and I mean this. You were a fucking motherfucker. You can't be a gangster. Shatta Wale can never be a gangster. We know they fear death. We they fight on our own fight. At the camp Ghana, me ba Ghana, Kwasia, who go fit touch me? Who go fit touch me? Shatta Wale, you can never be a gangster because you see you are done. You are done. When it comes to gangsters on the street, you go Mareka. We go Mareka. You are not part of us anymore because you were never part of us from day one. And you Nima boys way say for sake of no coffee or bomo. Sake of small no coffee. You they make people they use you. Say go be somebody. Hey, I swear you me fuck you up. Me boo name. I swear. Make them send you come me. Make them send you. I swear. Make them send you. I swear. Almost small say bra. Me boo name. Me I don't kill you. On 9 out of the 19, they go cut them. So say you go live for the rest of your life with one leg and always think and understand. Say no be everybody. You see me? You know be everybody. You go feel try am. Hey, we lose our lives plenty times on the street where we still there here. No join phobia no so kind. Tell them, make them understand. Say we know they see them and they come Ghana. On the 30th of July, we are staging Face the Country demonstration in London, and I'm part of it. I'm standing in. Mo amujino na mo kase. Multi social media and I'm inciting public. No, mo say we are educating our brothers and sisters. We are tired and we are sick and tired of people coming into our DM and asking for money to buy phone, to pay rent. Obi ko rented dime obi abedinu. Ama wakodi obi wo mu no. Eno so me na me nko tuama no. Just basic necessities of life. You people cannot provide. We understand. You can't give us job, but do not make us victims. Do not make us victims. All we are talking is say most of Marco school. Oh, cause educated fools. Politicians, no, they are the first educated fools. Politicians are the first educated fools. And they talk these things because you see me, we voted for them because we thought Bawumia say he did economics and he have brains within management of the economy. So he's been chosen to manage our economy, being a vice president. So what I say. And they say they go to big schools where we not go. Me masters. Me PhD. Into who to me from a doctor. So what I say. I do my masters where I know rich professorship. No, if you call me professor. So what I say. But the little knowledge I have acquired through education, thank God it's not through the Ghana Education Service because Ghana Education Service is fucked up. Now Shatta Wale they call we educated fools. Why? Because everybody where they say you educated, they consider you a fool because they can't control you. Because you know too much. That is why Ghana Education Service no. Say no. That is why the Education Service is nothing good to write home about. So what I say. Now, you know what we are educated fools. We are disappointment graduate. Yes, we are disappointed graduates because we graduate from school, Legon, Tech, UCC, and we can't find jobs. And it's a shame. It's a shame. The private sector that will employ people, you people are collapsing the private sector. Hey, which kind of school where you people go? Mutia Bon, IGP, a whole IGP. Et me bejina okase. There was enough reason for them to shoot. IGP, you are fucked. You are fucked. You are fucked. Hey, me, I would have been made a better IGP than a caliber of a person being an IGP because you don't have any knowledge in dispersing mob. Only killing. Yekum nipa bako. Nipa bako, one person is killed. Go and protect the rest of the people and ensure security. Okoye wako kun nipa two account. Wako kun, they killed only one person. And you Shatawale, you wake up, you hear this news. You could not talk about it. You didn't talk about it. Only for you to come and attack people where they advocate for the people where we employ them. Do you know that we employ the politicians? Shatawale, did you go to school? Do you know that we employ them? Do you know that we gave them the thumbprint for them to be employed, for them to get the freebies they get? Do you know that? Do you have any idea? Fuel near free, BBI free. As for, he say, make them fix the country. We employed them. Say, we knew that the previous administration couldn't fix the country. So all we are saying is that we want people that can manage and fix the country. So we're giving you the mandate, fix the country. So when we are charging you to fix the country, then you, Shatawale, you there. They talk nonsense. Say, you know what, Chris Wado, Jajimienu, AMG, you people, talk to your boss. Make it stop fooling. We not say you people, then the politicians make one. Say, mo ya fraud, nasi kaneba. Muko hu, Kennedy Japan, no mo omamamu, letter from the president office. Namo di akwa kuyi sikano. Sika yen timinko yi from EcoBank ni adi na muko yi. We know that. People don't know the source of your money. We fucking know. We fucking know. We fucking know. Money Kennedy Japan muna maya one fraud scaneba na ma sheda atnaso ewo EcoBank ni data bank na se for no na wa kwako yi because of that intinu you dey do project you dey collect money boys omo Ghana omo ni US eno omo ye fraud no ma twiska begu account mu na we push scanaba aba Ghana na omo ma letter head from the presidency. No wako yi Bentley, no wako yi from port, no wako yi Kawi. Cars are mudi dem nyina no. You think that we don't know how they get them. So because of that, you dey fear because you go lose. You did there say you no one die. Chris Wado they talk nonsense. Chris Wado, do you have a latest song that is banging on the street? Have you asked yourself? You are not a musician. You don't have a passion for music. Mo ya start nyina, mo need passion for music. Music come with a passion. It's an inborn thing. It's a talent. They talk say if they go stream your song, make them stream. Hey, fuck up. Obiambo di here. Chris Wado, make you not do that thing because this thing a backfire. These people where they follow them, they can't save you. They can't save you. And they tell you, don't bring your matter for inside. Chris Wado, don't bring your fucking matter for this thing inside. Don't talk about this thing. Say you know they won't die. Yeah, you know you where you know you want. You the fear. Kwame Nkrumah can say you know they won't die and Kaubenya independence. The Ghana where you proud yourself with. Oh sorry, say me Asantini, me Nkrani. Now you parade yourself, say you be a Ghanaian citizen. Somebody put in life down, make you get that privilege to be called a Ghanaian. So think. You know be the die where you go change story. Oh. People die before you. People die before you. They talk something. They talk nonsense. Mama yenye ni yebetumi biara yemfambu wa yemen Ghana asana yako Mama yenye ni yebetumi biara yemfambu wa yemen Ghana asana yako so my beye ya nefri mini wu so my beye ya nefri yanara Yena na ye mine, yembra yeri boy, eno ne say your mine, yen your man, you did they talk nonsense. We employ motherfuckers to come and take control into our money and things. Nasa nana of all people, what bind to power, nana we hail you, nana we serve you, nana we worship you, nana kotroko, nana kokruku, nana nitikesie, nana odambo, nana big head, nana can promise. You promised everything finished. So we now they look forward, say, you go fulfill your promise. Then Nana get up, say, he go rent plane, £15,000 every hour. They carry go France, go back. Say, make them take make them take in loan dash am. Omofa they come. Make I tell you something. You where you they go back for somebody to dash you money. You carry Range Rover they go, but the person they treat Opel Astra. You think say the person go mind you? Who kwako sre obi say onu nipa no onfa wo busia bo na wa bo ne fa nche wo no wo di meka e na wo ba be stre me say me fa usika no nche wo na wontimi ntua o say wo no you don't have money to pay, but as you are coming you dey ride in private jet where bed dey inside, where you say you want shower for inside, where you they chop women for inside. The girlies they your top where they massage you. Nana they chop girls for playing inside, they chop massage. All your predecessors use the same private jet where is presidency, the presidential private jet. They use them. They use them. But you alone, you say you can't use them. You want something more fashionable, something more luxurious into the coffers of Ghanaians. Think. Sasi can ye be a bit me support. Na odi akodu ye nso a okobo obusia okopa achowe no bo obusia 170 million euros. Aden ya o ji sesika no o de ba bebe o de bank e wo Ghana. Our Nana, you had banks in Ghana that had that money in excess. Banks bear 9 wa collapse yo mo. Inka ebia First National was the First Allied was why First National Bank and First Allied for no any sa banks no utimi o musike so no waka 3 banks na bom ban monye partnership CEO for no mun kan bom na monye one bank because you have about 270 million na 300 and something million Ghana cedis. Mon fan create one bank most mon create intinu at the end of the day no they still have the facilities in place because they have their buildings in place that they can still, our people, our brothers and sisters who were working in the bank, who have lost their jobs, will not be jobless. But because you are not a father. You are not a father. Nanadu is not a father. He doesn't give a fuck about us. He has never been a father. He will never be a father because all he cares is about him and how he can live a luxurious life. At your age, you are still thinking about living luxurious life. You are not thinking about leaving a good legacy behind. Now, what cost? Say, who cost just 170 million? When these banks could have put in about 4 times that money for you, you didn't think. Say, you don't get ahead. Hey, all the people we vote for, they don't get ahead. That be why Ghana is going to where it's going today. Because if they have head, it's simple mathematics. You don't need to go. You have to generate income from the economy and reinvest it into the economy. When to me I started work for Bobusia. Now who ya? O say contract I buy your predecessor assign. Who dey CKB obedi. What cancel contract no? You know be the contract you cancel where it they pay me on. But what they pay me they say when you were supposed to go to court and defend Ghana. You couldn't go to court in London to defend Ghana. Instead, you start in Ghana and you were partying. You people were doing Sir John funeral. Most COVID-19 protocol should be observed. Now you people were doing party. Nanado was there. Bawumia was there. All the Mia people and Dodo people were there. And they enjoyed and they have fun. You didn't go to the court. Almost say Ghana. Right now, they have Oma finding Ghana. Enya o mame, enya o papa, enya obi ni finding no Ghana. So say Nana do feast today. Ghana will have to pay that money, and it will come down to you and me, the ordinary citizens, to pay tax for this thing to be fixed, for this judgment debt to be paid. So won't see us here. Nana do mono makoya mo connection no money campaign na koya one say, hey, mummy enches kanindi Ghana for betuano. Mudia mu nim sa way. I dey tell you. They give Shatawale money. They give all these musicians money. So what I say, Shatawale will not go to Mahama in campaign and go and kneel down. Now you go to Shatawale. Now go to Shatawale started so all Kasafa Marco Kroku Mante who say, hey, we don't need him for wine na ena obo eko Shatawale honomo. Okoye na obo go there. Where obo go no Shatawale get up. Where obo go sit for in chair inside. Where Shatawale ayesa akwala bi no. Obo go sit ball head, my guy. You can't be a rasta. You can't be a rasta. You go take this money from France, come no, 170 million euros. And I will call UK, and I will fine Ghana 170 million pounds. Say yen tria. So you are doing business. A business, a simple logic. I don't want to tell people. And you mean make catch them. Hey, if they say they no fee come court, that be why they fine Ghana this much amount of money. Attorney General and say went to me and bar. How come say at the end of the day, no, after the election, the day after the election, no, Nanadu came to London or by London. And no, the equipment now fast so buy. And no, the buy the poor much also who buy because we kunyani few same in 2% robbie kunyano, but you don't know how. So they have to give you an idea. Because you know, say without them, you cannot do what you want to do. Criminal. You people, all of you, criminals, IGP, criminal. Say IGP to me, say, there is no place, there is no crime except heaven. That's a motive, that's a more supporting. And today, it's escalating. That was when Bullion Van, police officer, was killed, or PIM4 was killed. And you people supported this motherfucker talk. And today, he's saying, he's again telling us that the police had every right to shoot and kill. Listen, and I'm telling you, I have the knowledge of policing, and I'm telling you, we have police special squad that disperse mob. All they have to do is to use the shield, use the helmet. They are dressed in a combat form. You don't call anybody to go and disperse mob. You don't call gunmen to go and disperse mob in the first place. You don't do that. Our brothers are being killed, and our own street boy, somebody will say he be ghetto youth protector, he be street wine. Where is your credibility? Where credibility no in Shatawale? One of your politicians near you are the person bringing yourself down. You are causing your own downfall. We stood up for you. We stood up because this thing you go feed do am. You don't go feed do am for anybody in Ghana because you tell us you know if you kill yourself for us. You know if you kill yourself for us, you know the blood will go my body before I got your image for my body. You know the blood will flow before I got your image for my body. It be love. But today, if we are demanding, say, make the politicians, make them do the right thing for us. When you Shatawale, you did they talk, say, you know one go do. This thing can never be done. In generations, it has been there. From generations to generations, this thing has been there. So it will be there. If Kwame Nkrumah has said the same thing, do you think there are nations upon nations, African nations that respect Kwame Nkrumah? They read his books. Shatawale, Kwame Nkrumah in books. How many of them will you read? Me, I'm doing sociology in masters. Kwame Nkrumah books, no. How many of those books are you reading? How many of those books have you read? Do you know the pioneers of Ghana music? You don't know. Oh yeah, Conco music. Conco music. Where will they push you? Where they hit? Where they there? Where they talk brag because you think that you be somebody. But I not be anybody. If you know they care about the citizens, we know they care about you. If they talk, say, your real fans, they're street. So, we for fuck up. You see how many awards we win you with the vote, we take our money, they buy data with the vote. With the vote, they tear we 10 pesos, 20 pesos, 1 CD. Where they get the award. For your credibility, they come to my house. But it be love. So say we they love our own. It be the street hold you down. You see politicians where they stream your song before? Streaming party every day. It be who they stream. You know, be we in the internet. Then they talk, say we be foolish people. Go and watch all your posts where you do. Then ask yourself, say if you get sense. Education is, knowledge is power. Get educated, Shatawale. Be enlightened. Then stop fooling. Because education, nobody go pay money to acquire something where you don't need. Nobody. Sabi. So be unconscious. At least you should think and know, say, the people where in the street, if they don't come the internet, they cannot vote for you to get all the strength and chance in our wajije go fie no. Kwasia, Ghana Music Awards UK 2018 or 17. Look at the number of awards you got. And Buta say, do you get the awards again? Ghana Music Industry VGMA. Did you get even a single award? Massa, don't do that. Make omu you won't see. We warn you. We loved you. We stood for you. Anybody who go talk say we know they love Shatta Wale, he be fucking motherfucker because we put our blood down for him. God is our witness, and God will judge all of you, including Shatta Wale. And they tell you, you don't get the street people in your heart. You only they use your brain for us. You they take money from the politicians. Where they fuck we up. You have a long way to go to redeem your abilities and your credibility. Because see us, some of us, you can't buy us with money. How many times Shatta Wale no come live, you no come in Facebook, they talk say, if they give me money, me I know they take. I don't need your fucking money. I be fucking blood clot hustler. I know they beg for survivor. Even at the mention of slave throat slash, I go die for my people. I go die for the street because you see, the street will grow we. You be fake nigga. Shatta Wale, you sell the street out long time. For all no curfew. No curfew. No curfew. You sell us out. What's selling out? Long time. There's some people there. Where did they talk nonsense? Where did they support this nonsense? Then somebody go talk say, make you not take advantage of this and take trend. What about them? Where Jimmy? Where Jimmy? Will they talk something? If Kaka was your brother, you know go talk me this nonsense. Say yen zongo funny there. Oh, when they talk say zongo people go to school. If you're a zongo boy, be proud of yourself. Read books because that is where they're taking all the books from us. The education system is being fucked up, is being polarized because they don't want you to read books and know anything. Educated fools because we know too much. We know book too much. So they can't fool us. So we now turn fools to them. My guy, I'm a proud graduate. And I thank God say all my units I go, it be Britain where I go. All the three these things are it be Britain I go. I thank God say I go feel talk say I graduate from a British university. You know be Legon. I'm not a Legon boy. Me I'm called Legon, no size. Britain I'm called school. You are not my size. The knowledge I have acquired, you can't even parade yourself before me. You can't even compare yourself to me. Because me, I be educated gangster, I be a street boy. When you call school and you say, we are still for the street because we want the street to survive. You say the street for go to hell. Because you don't give a fuck. Because in fact, the person will die no be your brother. Not police for then kill one person. Go and maintain peace. Mukoya makukun 2 people account. Nipa for no makano. Nyame emboy and say mo baku cry and shouldn't in. You go then go kill extra 2 people and you say you had no other option. You were left with no choice. How prepared were you? IGP, I they ask you. You should be resigning by now. Hey, big up Kevin Taylor, big up A+, and big up Chini Jonas. Everything where we they talk, it be agitation we they take talk. Yeah, agitated. Captain Smart, big up yourself, but know where you are coming from. Are you for Ghana or you are for MPP? Now, party, no. Fuck off for them. We know the MPP, NDC. We don't need them because they fuck everybody up. We don't get jobs. IGP fit to come then talk say crime is on the rampant because fathers don't look after their children. Fathers don't take care of their children. That's why crime is on the rise. Forgetting the fact say Abaye be borders not one be borders no. What policies have you in place to be able to control the border, Ghana border, no? To maintain the fact that Ghanaians have to maintain our culture and nobody needs to penetrate through. Unless you are coming legally, you are being checked, your address where you there, we have to make sure say you are living and abiding by the rules and the culture of God, Ghana. You are not coming from Nigeria or you are not coming from Ivory Coast or Liberia and infiltrating Ghana with your culture and making Ghanaians taking tramor here and there and kidnapping their own people and killing them thinking that they can use them for ritual, money rituals. You are not doing that. Ghana police, more cars. Immigration people should have cars wait for patrol. Hey, I they challenge Nanado. Hey, Nanado, I challenge you. And you see Ghana youth. Hey, Mamu Fasadu and Diago. If by the next 1 month we not have immigration cars patrolling in Ghana, then I swear, then this government is not ready to protect us. Because Obi Bia onye Ghana ni Biano doesn't care about Ghana. Omo Babe make sticker from us to go and look after their families back home. So what I say, we need immigration. Equip the immigration people. Equip them. Give them cars. Give them helicopters. Give them everything. Immigration should even have their own ambulance. Where should patrol? Unambia 1 minute bia buy ambulance nemu. 1 minute bia immigration car namu. 1 minute bia immigration is knocking on somebody's door. Our address system must be fixed. So say we can identify people. We can know where to go and locate somebody. Uber airport now we our address. Later on, say I'm for etu etuya. Ebe say baby I say otino. Na oti ampa na. Memba Ghana. Mobia ambem knocking me door say address we ya buy immigration for. Ye be say na oti ampa na. Na o passport when o ye Ghana ni ampa. Himfa na o koye. O ye then are you really schooling in London? Is it because of school you are there, or what else are you doing there? Because if I'm a criminal, you don't know. Now me ban me na street so. Now police first stopping me because of some me share dreadlocks into. They see me as a criminal, and they treat me anyhow. If you are wearing dreadlocks, you be rasta. You are in dead street. They treat you as if say you are not human being. But you won't conform good street in so. We need policies. Nanado, you are utia bon. Nanado, uti konko, eti kondo shinim. Eti kondo shinim. You don't have anything in your head. You don't go school. You don't have any idea what social knowledge is. How to manage economy is. So what I say, at least, if you can't give us jobs, we know. From ages, from Rollins, no more type, adebechina boys te kwan ye nifi ba ye nkobo krono ye nifi but at the end of the day unuya kono ba obema obiedi. We have Ghanaians have that culture of empathy, kindness towards one another. We are lovely people. We are not bloodthirsty people. We don't test for blood. We don't quest for blood. But now where the thing is going, Ghanaians are beginning to learn how to pour blood down, how not to care about each other. Unuya kwa obu. And then unuya ye mobile money. Now obiata machete. No, of course slash no. Because no. And they have taught the person said, the only way you can survive is to go and kill your brother. The system is making us criminals. The system is making us criminals. We are never criminals. Ghanaians are never criminals. We are not bloodthirsty people. We are never bloodthirsty people. Fix the country. Fix the bloody country. Fix the country and stop the fool. Na Shatawale wabejina o. Uyo biya ankabebo Kaka din. No aka say Kaka is your fan. Do you know Kaka is your fan? You don't know. Somebody follow you to death. He believed in you. Kaka believed in you. Go and look. Go and research about Kaka and see. Kaka was your fan. Kaka is somebody that loved you. You made people love you and you turn your back on us. And you say you can't fight for us. You are a coward, Shatawale. Stoneboy chin tiyo bagagagaga. Ina ujane ina kojana baby. You see how you run for the DJMB. You see how you run? Because you claim gangster on social media. You are not a gangster. Gangsters, we move with gangs. We move with gangs. And with the face, either we die or our opponent, they die. It's not about lyrics. It's not about music. So what I say, it's not about saying violent or sending violent message in music. It's about living what you preach. You don't live what you preach. Everything they talk. If you people are there, and you are saying Shatawale preached about this thing in his music, Shatawale never entered street to fight for anybody. He fight for you before. He go do demo for you before. I remember when Shatawale brought the song Ghana Be Village. There was a guy in America who contacted me. They call him Father. Big up yourself wherever you are in America. This guy told me he wanted to bring a Nyema from America, a wheelchair. Nyema, from America. Now we should enter street because people were bashing Shatawale. Why did he do that song? And we were defending Shatawale. I defended Shatawale all over the place. Pasia who don't know say I defended Shatawale. And if they talk, he say when he was doing advocating, nobody supported him. We didn't support him. Me, I don't support Shatawale. Pasia, this thing where I do, you go fit do, and before you talk nonsense, go do this thing. Pasia, before you talk nonsense, go do this thing. Ubet me away. Can you do this for him? You can't. That be love. I ink his name into my blood. So you see, when things are going wrong and we talk, make we talk and stop the fuck up. This boy called me. He had ideas. He had the money. He wants us to enter the street and prove to Ghanaians make we go clean up Ghana, keke. Or the nyema ba or the shovels ne, wheelbarrows ne adeba. So make we go clean up like Nima and I say baby. Shatta Wale should be part of us. Hey, Shatta Wale, you lazy. You lazy motherfucker. You lazy motherfucker. You be blood clot lazy motherfucker. All you know is to mingle with the politicians and take money and chop. You see this thing, it will never last. The MPP people where you take yourself, mingle them where they chop the money. You see, it will never last because they won't be in government forever. I they tell you this thing. Where they find fool people, at least Samini, any called the Amokrade, you want somewhere you monim. You say MPP for because election time then do campaign song give MPP where everybody know. Then take them a big card, they do business, they take the money, they do everything. They omoko. But you know do where matters come where you for talk for street. Then you go talk abonko tiptoe lane. Oh my boy say, hey, you know they love tiptoe lane people. You know they love them because if be them we they fight for. We they fight for them. So say better jobs go come. So say tiptoe lane. So say the people who they there, they go survive. You they drive Range Rover. So why not do your Range Rover or Ghana enye? You think say if you pay way Ghana na your papa de Shatta Wale, Ghana be your father you. Ghana be your father you. My guy, you for job steady. If you now you cause your downfall. When you started sacking people, I told you Shatta Wale, this was not good. It won't help the empire we built. Because we put our love, our heart, everything inside it. And we wanted this thing to survive. Because we sweated for this. And we are not in to joke. Because it's our life. It's our life. SM, we say it's our life. Then you come then talk to me, say, Shatta movement be your own. And nobody fit to tell you what to do or what not to do. When you sack people, the people where if they do something where you know good, where they tell you, say, Shatta Wale, I don't know how you are ebe break Shatta movement. Today, you say, Adi awu yano, one say, it defame you. One say, a stone boy, I take advantage. Or the new one about Bontin. Tama, yeah, do when you know, one say, stone boy, then all these people, they never talk about this thing. Because we they fire them, when you see say you they play loose, where you, I don't know, drugs kona ofano, Charlie. Whoever is managing Shatta Wale, Bulldog, who manages Shatta Wale, Nyansa Bia ni empire anymore. Me pa cho. Shatta Wale, you deserve better. You was a good man. You were a good man. The Shatta Wale I know it's not the same Shatta Wale I'm seeing because I'm seeing a different non-entity. Or ya bua onye nipa. Or ya bua and see you can't control anybody because you see me if I see you face to face, I go fire you. I they tell you this thing. If you send somebody make it come after me, nipa na mukunkuma mono here. Oh, a youth na onam street so don't take your life for granted because they don't care about us. They don't care. Obia, none of them cares about you. They don't care about me. They don't care about anybody. Put your life in your hands. Protect yourself because the same police people will go fit stop Whistler. Say na street boys from Mubae. Omunim Whistler. Where they know me. Where they know say Fala. Oh, champion. Oh, chairman. Fala. Nkame. Nkamudime. Omudime aye fucking. Omakumi. Nkame ye funeral. They make me funeral. The boys where them call Zongo boys from Nima, Medina. Oh God. And then Ghana, yeah. Police people where they barrier, they know they call for reinforcement because they know say what they are doing is illegal. Even probably that time no more barrier or no. They are not supposed to be at the barrier. So they go call them a foolish people. For all you know, Crown, police for. They don't know what they are doing. Then you did there, you support. If you wake up where you say today they call your fans say we are educated fools, we are wine, disappointmented. Now got this out, bro. Shatta Wale ma grow we need to. Hey, disappointmented. You can't say go school now one corner. You can't say go school now one corner. One way ye. Obi afa say won yensa wo bibi papa bi de ma youth no. You have to lead us. You where you the claim street, where you for jump on the street and say, and no be a fear or dog cry, big up a fear or dog, wherever you did. Street queen. Hey, from today going, anybody where they listen to me, follow a fear or dog and show them love. Protect them. Give them street credibility. A fear or dog has won our hearts. You have man protection 24/7. He don't need the police protection because the street has given him credit, giving her the credibility. He have the street security. Shatta Wale, you are on your own. We don't know you. You don't know us. We don't know you. You say you. Wone Chris Wado mo na maya one na mo yusu ministers na mo de ye mo fraud nyema. Yen kasa ma mo mpe musika. But you see, this matter will come. If you don't want to talk about it, please leave us alone. Let us fight for what belongs to us. Let us fight for our own thing. But do not come. Then you say you defame Trini Jonas. Trini Jonas, is he a dancer or musician? Trini Jonas or a dancer? Dancer, who called Jamaica? Today, dancer artists in the beef social media commentators. Wale, you have a problem. And if nobody will tell you today, I'll tell you. You have a problem. The problem you have is beyond you. And whatever, if juju way somebody is doing you, Shatta Wale, you need the help of God. You don't need to go to any man of God, or they don't have anything to offer you. TB Joshua where he died, you see, reach sister self where he died. 58 in Powendino Wuye. You don't get anything to offer you. Nobody will have permanent life. Everybody will die. Read the Bible. As are they here? You see this? Read the Bible. Read the Bible. Share, Mamika Samucho Shatta Wale, this message is for you. I'm reading from Proverbs chapter 1, verse 29 to 33. And it reads, since they hated knowledge, you are calling knowledge people educated fools. Shatta Wale, this is your message today. I they take these things and you. And I'm reading from the Bible, Proverbs. Everybody, where they watch me, you people, they watch us like we be some enemies. Yeah, Musi we smokers. Umi, one of your red lips that. Bombo clat. It be the Bible inside that they read from. You where you say you know Bible. So if you know the Bible and they read, then you have a problem. He said from Proverbs chapter 1, verse 29 to 33 and verse 29 I want to read. Since they hated knowledge and added and did not choose to fear the Lord. That is 29 no. Since they will not accept my advice and spam my rebuke. Listen, that is 30 no. They will eat the fruit of their ways. You eat your fruit, the fruit of their ways. Today, Shatta Wale, you see the fruit you are eating is the fruit of your ways. And be filled with the fruit of their schemes. The schemes, you think you are smart. You are not smart. You can't be smart. Even if you are smart, you can't be smarter than God. All knowledge and power lies within the heart of God. Find wisdom. Shatta Wale, you lack wisdom. And the people around you, Chris Connie, who are bombo clat. Munina Musimako school, minim school ko amoko because you cannot say British school now call ya. You be honest. You will face Shatta Wale and tell him the truth. For the first time, I see the party saying something very real and standing up to something and saying the truth. For the first time, I'm seeing SM fans telling Shatta Wale in the face, you are wrong. They will eat the fruit of their ways and be filled with the fruit of their schemes. For the waywardness of the simple will kill them. Shatta Wale, are you hearing? Are you hearing? It's in the Bible, Proverbs chapter 1. Open your Bible. Let's learn. Let's educate ourselves. Calling people educated fools. Educated fools. Educated. You they call God in name every day, but you don't have any one heart to love your brothers. You don't care. Because it is not you who started this thing, so you don't want to support it. Everybody will started. You want to defame this, fake the country, but fake the country will stand. But whoever listens to me will live in safety and be at ease without fear of harm. God is talking. Whoever listens to God will stay in safety and be at ease, and no harm will come to you. God is talking. Me, I'm telling you this thing. Shatawale, you refuse to listen to the people that love you where will tell you the truth. And you only, the people where if you say, go and stone somebody, they will go and do it. Go and do this, they will go and do it. My guy, hey, you will be destroyed within your own schemes. The Bible is saying, I'm not saying this. I'm not saying this, and I'm not wishing bad for you. God bless all my boys, and they tell them, make we pray for you, because they say, either you are under a spell, juju, or you are on drugs, or you don't know what you are doing. I'm telling you, because there is no normal human being that will be given this much glory that will take it for granted. You are abusing the fame God has given you. If it be the fame that has entered into your head and it's making you think that you are better than everybody will push you up there, my guy, you are failing. Because you see, Proverbs chapter 1 verse 29 to 33, it says, since they hated knowledge, Shatawale, you are the one that is calling people educated fools. So God is saying, since you hated knowledge is what we acquire through education. So God is saying, since Shatawale hated knowledge, and not be me they talk him, and did not choose to fear the Lord, since you did not choose to fear the Lord and say the truth to the politicians and tell them to do the right thing by, providing jobs and security to the people of Ghana, but instead you chose to stand with the politicians when even they were killing your own people. Even if you have no memory, look at Davido and Wizkid when they stood with the NSAS, they stood with their fans, stood on stage. They sang free because Nigerians, big up Davido, big up Burna Boy, big up Shatawale. Since you have decided to choose the side of the politicians against the side of the people, and the voice of the people is the voice of the Lord, Shatawale, God is saying that, he said, since they would not accept my advice and spam my rebuke, God is talking, Shatawale, you are in deep trouble unless you come out clean. You stand with the people. Hey, big up Bobby Wine of Uganda. We look at Bobby Wine as a role model. He's the real model, because Bobby Wine, even when at the point of his life, he has stood up to all politicians. He's still living and breathing. And a wife, near Panehu, near the Nadeja, 2 on more, near Yema, we say, Muzavenues and wine. Now, what they have done to Bobby Wine of Uganda. And this nigga from music is still standing up for the ghetto, standing up for the street. And you dare and you dare open your stinking mouth, bloody motherfucker, bloody crazy motherfucker. Talk nonsense. Say you cannot put your life down for the street, but you want somebody to, you are not loyal to the street, but you want the street to be loyal to you. Are you mad? Are you mad? Shatawale, you are mad. You are crazy. You see you, hey, my guy, you see you are digging your own grave. I swear, if you don't change, the blood of Saka will ask you questions. You cannot respond. If you did not see this, if you wake up in the morning and you were able to sing NSAS, you were able to sing, tweet and sing and do music for them. Nigeria, you don't come from Nigeria. But because you want to use your mind to enter their market, you trying to portray yourself that you are one of them. So you are supporting them. You made the music for them, but when our own personal person, our own Saka, SM fan Saka, hey, we know you. You have no heart for any humanity. Shatawale don't have a heart to love anybody. Even if not anything at all, we saw, this American boy, our brother, Junior US. People say you owe him. I don't know how true it is, but I don't give a fuck. He's the reason why you can't go to Kumasi again. He's the reason why you fear to go to Kumasi. Because Kumasi boys go beat you. When you went there, they wanted to beat you. Because they say you not come for the funeral. And this is a nigger that put in life down. You are not loyal. Shatawale is not loyal to the street. It not be today. Shatawale started selling out the street. It not be today. Shatawale started selling out the people that mattered to his heart. It not be today where Shatawale started disgracing some people to make his own. Now they are doing you. What about them? You they mad. Ugu me animase. Ugu Gen 77 animase. Ugu Obi to say Adisef animase. Ugu Natalie animase. Forgetting that you yourself, you claim on radio interview that when you didn't have a car, it was Natalie in car you were using to make your errands. Today, you think that you are dining and whining with politicians and they're giving you money. It won't last. They will eat the fruit of their ways and be filled with the fruit of their schemes. God says, I should tell you today, Shatawale, that you will eat the fruit of your ways and you will be filled with the fruit of your schemes. God says, I should tell you, Shatawale, that you will eat the fruit of your ways of bad mind, and your ways of corrupt heart, mentality of riches, materialistic, where you they think say, material wealth is more important than human lives. You don't see this because it wasn't you. It wasn't you that started. You said you are claiming. Now I could take video. Now I could take video clips. Now I two on. Hey, jump on the street if you care about Ghanaians. Otherwise, you are a coward. I charge you. I'm putting this to you, and I see our brothers doing their best, trying to elevate themselves and try to redeem their image. Me who say Stone Boy, try say, obe tweet. Stone Boy, we don't need your fucking tweet. We don't need it. All we need is either you stand with face the country and jump on the street. If you people were able to hold lanterns during Atta Mills and Mahama time and complain about doing so, Yvonne Nelson, Van Vikamo, and then more infant, silent culture of silence. You people are silenced. You can't talk because Musro, you fear for your life. Are they come Ghana? Hey, Munsi prison, mommy. Munsi prison, mommy. Are they come Ghana? Me say, are they wait make 30th of this month. Happy New Month to all Fala niggas. Happy New Month all Fala Nation people. Are they wait make this month. Make we finish what we have started. Make we finish the demonstration in London. Make we face the country demo in London. 30th of July is coming up live. And I will be live. So say you people will see. Those where they call me coward. Those where they talk nonsense. Say we know we they talk on social media. We they charge people where we know they won't enter street. I come Ghana. I don't come Ghana. I know they come Ghana every day. I know they come Ghana. I talk you. It is only Shatawale that will try come after me. I'm ready for him. Because we know each other. Obe small boys, senior, they be or small boys say, Munko hamwe, no. But ono krano we toothless. Because ono, muni madia Shatawale slow we say, tafre, and cockroach. If fear cockroach. If you put cockroach down right now, Shatawale go jump. Are they come Ghana? Tell them say they come Ghana. Are they come Ghana after the demonstration here? Pasiyama bomb masters. Wo ya abua mame. We go. Tell them school now. You see, ma betre kunyani suna. Yeah, catch common knowledge of just giving people freedom of speech. You came into power and you collapsed Radio Gold and all the other radio stations you thought would sabotage or will speak the truth, will bring out the truth. Now you are bought Ghana Web. They only post what they think you give them. Joy News and all these people. Now they only preach about you. Why did they have to start Captain Smart? Because Captain Smart was talking against this guy. Why did they have to beat Caleb of that FM station? He even feared to say that he is an Ewe boy. He has to lie that he is a fancy boy. Why? Because he has gone to take pictures of cars that you people have parked at a place, wasting Ghanaian ordinary citizen man's money for nothing. You have made him a victim and beat him. Enko baby, I'm free. More media for now, today you are paying back to where you started. The money you took and projected unimaginable number of leading in election and also contributed to where we are today, because you know very well that some people didn't win election, but you decided to back them with media support because they bought your credibility. Today, you see where you are doing. You are today, Captain Smart. You people are smelling pepper now because the money after winning the election, I'm telling the truth. Take it from me. I'm telling the truth. You people know that you are not getting what you thought you would get from them again. So you now want the youth to think, say, you are for us. You people are all a disgrace. The media. And they read from your walls. Joy News, then I say for Ghana Web. And they come there, is that they blast you people. And they blast you people. And I will continue to, because you are a major contributing factor to the suffering Ghanaian youth are suffering today. You are the reason. Now Shatawale, what be Jina Honomo? Now we can't asem. Say you don't want to be killed. This thing will forever be there, and you are not the one to change it. Shatawale. But you want people to die for you, and you dey call people. Ni ma phone mo sorry a. Mudi Shatawale chino. Bra, pe bibi yo. Pe kwedu ne ton wo kwan ho. Ebe boa wo. Sense wo di be di Shatawale chi. Wo di be di Whistler chi. A mini bibia me de be ofa wo. Pe bibi ye. If you are following me and I'm not empowering you to do something for yourself, then you have to ask yourself a question. Ask yourself a question. And people are fighting for the country to be fixed. When the country is fixed, it's not one person that is going to be enjoying. We all are going to enjoy. When there are jobs, you can afford to pay your bills. You can afford to buy a car. You will also be able to meet your boys and also sit on the table and also buy a drink for yourself. But you are there supporting politicians for no curfew. Small, something small. God is going to judge everybody. And I repeat, God is going to judge everybody. God will judge all of us. I repeat, God will judge you. And all you to the Totofifi people where you come to Shatter Movement yesterday, where you don't know what we have to pay, the price we have to pay. I lost all the trust in my family. They abandoned me all because of my faith in Shatter Movement. All because I stood up for Shatawale. They told me, say, Shatawale is stubborn, he's what, he's a disgrace, he doesn't respect, and I didn't listen. And I still stood up with him. And then, may God bless you. Anybody watching this video, share the video. Follow, share them, we move. Follow. Share the video. Tell them, Shatawale has nothing to offer the street until he can stand and give the street credibility. If Shatawale, almost obeko xylophones obeko infa kasa. If Shatawale go there and talk anything, and I do no use, it be key. Right now, as we speak, Shatawale is thinking about what he go talk to the people where he go fit buy people them mind again. He go fit buy people them mind because he knows they do yawa. He do yawa. So Muna zongo fono, muna mo bleu, mon continue, Nima, Mamobi, Kotobabi, mon continue, Madina, Ashama, mon continue. Now they are more supporting nonsense. Your mother and your father day house. Think about them. How you go feel survive on the street. Make the street your business. If somebody is not supporting the street, he is not for us. We don't know them. We don't hate them. I don't give a fuck about Nanado. I don't give a fuck about Mahama. I don't know. Until the day where people will stop affiliating themselves to partisan politics. Say, Nibia or what Bia, you have to be associated with NDC. No? Until that day, we will not have a better social life. Until the day Akans, I'm saying Akans and I'm not saying Ashantis because Akans are not one tribe. We have the Achims, we have the Fantis, we have Asante Achim, and we have the Kwapims, we have the Kwewus. Until the day these people start to question the system and start to ask, say, who is it? It doesn't matter where they're coming from. They could be Kwame Nkrumah from Lubo or this place. They could be from Fanti, they could be from Anguna, they could be from wherever, they could be from Wale, they could be from Asante region. As long as they got the people at their heart, then they deserve our mandate. They deserve our support. Until the day that we will understand that life matters. Life matters. Obroni kwesi broni. Mameka asamcho kwesi broni. Onfa nkwa ndi agro. Onfa nkwa endi agro. Kwesi broni enfa nkwa endi agro. But you go there, common IGP. Hey, you still there a kunya top. And you use West Bia, no be say I'm trying to restrain myself to use the right words here because I'm being forced with anger to use inappropriate words for these people because they don't have sense. You go there and go and say that they were left with no options. You are trying to find justification when you know that there are no justification. You see, hey, IGP to Mwadiyeso resign before it's too late. Resign before it's too late. And Shatta Wale, if he says, Chris Wado, what do you mean, Kebi? Chris Wado don't talk some because everybody knows that Wasan, Uni Munyomoto, Intena Wakofa Medical, Edis Kashem, and I would pushing Yama, Udi Yusu Shatta Wale, Edi pushing medical, and I would DJ Yama. Hey, but we control the street. And I tell you, you won't last. Last it. Chris Wado. Wona o kasana o di wanu beto sa asem we mu no Chris Wado Twitter wona o wona o kan kwase asem no Chris Wado, you not get any song where anybody go stream because you don't know music. You your opportunity be na unya through who you see wadwen and how they far how to be so and AMG baby how to be NNG baby nina you were not loyal to how to be from day one. You and how the year adia u ye na me I will never have started Fala Nation if Shatta Wale has not blocked me. My loyalty was unquestionable. My loyalty, it was only yesterday I wake up and felt regretted for tattooing Shatta Wale on my chest. I felt so regretted. Ever since these things they go on, or I've been proud, say I have Shatta Wale on my chest. It was only yesterday I wake up and I said, this is a motherfucker that don't give a fuck about the street. And I felt so regretted for having his tattoo on my chest. Because see, the street where you don't respect, it be the street where we stand for. The street where you don't give a fuck about, it be the street where we they come from. Me son na me ton adie, I they carry things for my head. You Shatta Wale, you never carry any pampan for your head. You not sell tomatoes on the street before. You not sell any fish for the street before. You own swa jungo nkoton da. Own swa ngo kokon nkoton da. Because you don't know the suffering of the street. If they say you be ghetto boy, you know they understand. You are not a ghetto youth, Shatta Wale. You are not a ghetto youth. You just use the ghetto to make your coins. You just use the ghetto for your own good. And today, you are coming after us and calling us names and trying to use words just to, brandish your own ugly face and your own ugly mouth for saying ugly shit. There is no words. Hey, Xylophone, you people, make I tell you, Xylophone FM, if you know what is good for you, make you know accept Shatta Wale on your show. Because there is nothing Shatta Wale go can't talk. You know if he make any excuse. Shatta Wale cannot tell us that he did not see Kaka being killed. And he doesn't give a fuck. And he did not see police people being asked to go and protect life after one life has been lost. Go and kill 2 extra people. Making 3 lives lost. So basically, our people are telling us that we are all fucking people. They don't care about us. They don't care about us. Police people don't care about anybody. They don't care about you. They don't care about me. Muko bo amanfo nkwa ho ban no. Muko kun krofo. Muko kun nipa 2 ka. 1 person died. So you mean life don't mean anything to you. That is why you people have been dying on the road every day, because you see lack of education. We don't know where we are going direction. Street signs, amanfo drive it. They don't even know the street signs. People are on the road. Road is not good. People are dying. COVID-19, where they say they spend money on crowd, didn't kill people like the way the street they kill people. They die on the street every day. And you motherfucker, you there where they talk nonsense. My guy, bad man, you for wake up, bad man, wake up. I just watch it. Nobody give a fuck about you. You see me, you know they feed me, you give me money, I don't take. It they shock you. Boga, it they shock you, eh? Kwasia, me kwa worry me no one out here bride price, mommy. It they shock you. I be hustler. I know they take money from people. You can't bribe me. The same way where they take bribe from these politicians to sell out the street. You think say they take money? You can't buy my loyalty. Loyalty cannot be bought. It comes from the heart. Loyalty cannot be bought. You can't buy loyalty. And they tell you, so Shatta Wale, you still say they give me money. You come social media, they talk say, if they give me money, you give me money for London and no take, they won't give me money for Ghana. Ghana cried and now person will force, now this can show me bottom by force. Whoa, someone say make Kyle. I kneel down, I beg you, say people they don't disgrace me. Because you see me, I be boss who can, I be boss who on my own. Obia chairman, all my boys, them be stars. All my boys, them be chairman in their own house. Because, you know, if you go somebody in house, go paying rent for them. If they call yourself chairman, how many people will you pay them a rent? How many people will you they feed them? If you take, your friend is saying, 70,000 from politicians, where you take 10,000, where you change them into $10, then you go there street. Now what way gun so? Hey, Shatawale, my guy, ma obie juma no ntimi feed on any family. Fight for the street. I they charge you. Samini, how many times did I call you? Samini, how many times did I call you? The same way you did a song for the politicians to come to power, the same way you for do a song for fix the country. I they charge you. One say Stonebwoy, me hear video, no one say wait here. One say why nyum? We go force you to force yourself to do the. Because you people don't get heart. You are bad mind people. All you care about what you can get. You don't care about the street. Because who's Stonebwoy? Who don't kobo Shatawale na Shatawale starting trail. Kwanya ye fast to jiska microphone chain. Yeah, the Shatawale no say Stonebwoy go worry him. So now he started to show him 1 or 2 ways to take money. One say, I didn't buy. One say Stonebwoy. I said they yi the who where they try make the public thing say he be smart guy, he be good guy, he do music. Shatawale, you see, when we tell you, you know won't take. You say they take him. They take him. Because you say we be bad people. We bad people. We were with the you day. You they take we for granted. You see, today, Samini, how many times did I call you? We are waiting for you people. The fame you get, you know be quiet. Mo enter street. I have big respect for you guys. That be why I'm trying my best not to use words that are uncountable. Please, enter the street. Make boys follow you. I'm coming to Ghana. Those people where are talking about bullshit and saying, we did social media, they talk. Hey, big up Kali J. Big up all the things the country advocates. Big up yourself, Efia Odo. Big up yourself, Trini Jonas. Big up yourself, Kevin Taylor. Big up everybody and I'm telling you, I'm calling on you. Don't fear. Let us die for Ghana. Let us stand and die for Ghana. Let us be prepared to die. But before we go down, let's make sure either each one of us will bring 10 people down before we go down. Don't go down alone. Make sure 10 people go down before you go down. We do not want violence. We don't stand for violence. We are fighting this fight because we want to end the violence. We want to end the violence. And we are coming to Ghana. They fix the country demo, I swear. The same way I bought ticket to come to Shatawale Rain Album Lunch, you know, where I follow and go Belgium and Germany, you know. The same way I will buy my ticket and come to Ghana, even if it is for 2 days, to come for the face the country demo. I will come. I'm coming. I want to prove to people say, we don't give a fuck. Me for immigration, me for customs. Let them see me. Fucking bombo clad people. Touch me, then see your mother. Touch me, then see your mother. We are coming. We don't give a fuck. I'm coming. If I don't come, if you don't see me there, if you don't see me live, change my name. Change my name. Mumwe Bufonti. I will spend the money and come just for 2 days and come back. I'll come. Because Mumwe Bufu, we are not doing this for anything. We are doing it because we don't fear death. We sin death and death and death. And I tell you, people pull knife on us. Where we still they stand. It be God. And God will never let you down. God will never let you down. If me I not come to Ghana for the face the country demo, I swear, Fala Nation, stand up for your rights. Don't stand and watch nobody. And every Fala Nation, if you know say they support Fala Nation, stand up because hey, get your Fala t-shirt, get your Fala hoodie, get your Fala flag. Get your Ghana flag. Hey, one for Fala Nation. We don't need Fala Nation. Get your Ghana flag. Ghana flag. Get your Ghana flag. Get your Ghana flag. Because me, you called London the 30th of July. You call Me de me Ghana flag kesiye pa me de bomb me ho. Me Ghana bag me de bomb me ho. And we are standing in, we are talking to Nanado, do the right thing. Protect life. At least if you won't give us job, protect life. And we demand justice for Saka and the 2 others that have died. If you people, I want to buy bygone election. You people just watch people. Where you people just put them on the street to kill people just by heart. And nobody has been held accountable to all these crimes that has been perpetrated against the nation. We are in this country when politicians just your friend is saying the day parliament where they say that they do election for parliament where we see a whole MP go steal parliament ballot box, hey, ballot papers. It be treason. Do you know what treason means? Munko research it. Now mun find out say Ghana laws no. How does it punish treasonable offense? How does it punish treasonable offense? The Constitution. Go and read about it because you people don't know anything about the law. You they go steal ballot papers where go put people in power. It be treasonable offense. It's tantamount to staging a coup d'etat. And you people there and you think it be all right. And you they clap give them and you make noise. Up to date, we don't hear nothing about it. But if you're polo, they do entertainment thing. See the way you people punish the girl. Take and go prison. Go put down for cells for some time. Because you are putting fear in us. Fear and panic. Hey, Charlie, some of us, we know the fear. We know the fear. We know the see. Hey, SAS one mona modi nkofo gogunu yen slow on mo. We know the fear there. You know, be prison go stop we from demonstrating or saying the truth, do the right thing. And don't tell us, say, somebody buy Airbus, somebody do this, somebody do that. All we are saying is that the person you are saying they buy Airbus, no, you told us that they were not good for the country. So we put them aside and we gave you the job. We have the men. We have the men. We have the men. So fix the country. If you have the men, fix the country. Face the country. Face the country. We have the men. We have the men. Yet is the castle so accommodate. Yet is the castle so accommodate. So what? Fix the country. We gave you power to fix the bloody country. So if we are asking you to fix the country and today you have decided to make us your victims, then prepare to build more prisons because we see where we start this thing, we could finish them. And the NDC people where you are trying to involve yourself in this, we don't know you. We don't know you. We are just ordinary Ghanaian citizens. We don't know NDC flag. We employ NDC flag. We employ MPP flag. All we want is Ghana flag to fly high. From today going, Ushiami now Ushiami, make us see say they wave the Ghana flag. Let us make sure the Ghana flag is shaking within our hearts. It's blinking. It's flying high above the sky. Hey, if you are wearing boxers, I say use Ghana flag to do your boxers. Your brazier, mbano, muko me ba bicha, me ba labadi bicha. Muma mi hu say mbano mutuan fe. Your big asses, nyasses than things. We see say oh your boobs than things. Hey, you people there Ghana where you know the feel make anything good out of Ghana. Tell a for there more Ghana. Mum pim pam nyama we na mon fan hata. Brazier ne ade mum pam Ghana. Sanye abrofu yi ba ya omude COVID ba ya. Enne ye pam nose mask ede hata bebia no. Nose mask no. Mon fa Ghana flag, mon fan pam nose mask. Mon fa Ghana flag, mon fan pam bibia atade batakari mo ya mon fa Ghana. We have to inculcate the spirit of Ghana into our fucking heads so say we will understand what it means to be a citizen of Ghana so that we can protect what we have. Otherwise, we will never ever appreciate what we have. We will never ever think ourselves as Ghanaians. We will never ever. We will always support politicians and jeopardize Ghana. We will support politicians at the detriment of Ghana. And that is what we don't want. Ghana is the name. Ghana is my name. Ghana is your name. Ghana is your grandfather's name. Ghana is our name. I don't know Shatawale because Shatawale doesn't know the street. He doesn't know Ghana. Shatawale says he can't kill himself for Ghana. Chris Wadu is making some bomboclat tweet on Twitter saying, he be way for gold and then make people go see. You know, won't go get arrested or be killed. You don't want to get killed, but you want people to call you chairman. You want to be famous, but you don't want to bear the responsibility. When you were becoming famous, did somebody for you? Did somebody force you to become famous? By force. You know, boys where they come on a DM every day, they want money. Somebody in bill, somebody won't buy phone, common phone, basic necessity of life. They can't afford it. They will come Whistler this, Whistler that, Whistler. Now my boss, sometimes at the ball, they meet them, my boys, they have issues because they won't make a buy them phone. The small no coffee, me too, if I have small, so bro, take small. Then they won't make, I go pay them a rent. Somebody in rent, I know they pay rent. Go to the politicians, I tell you people this thing long time. Don't come to Whistler, say make you pay your rent. Don't come. Hey, don't come to me. Say make I pay your rent. If you want phone, find your way to go and buy your phone. We all hustlers. Some Muslims most support politicians. Osia. You can't credit chemo. Na de bia na muti won mo na mu Jimmy. Na muti won mo na mu Jimmy. It be everyday way somebody for killing self give somebody. See how many times where we they kill ourselves give. Loyalty is a mutual thing. It's a two-way sword. A cat here and cat here. Shatta Wale owes in fans loyalty in people to owe loyalty. Now you are saying that the people where they stream, the people where they street be your fans, real fans. But the people where they, so you see, everybody where they social media where you go waste your bundle, say they go vote, give any musician, make you win award. Forget yourself. Anybody where you go waste yourself. Don't even waste yourself, say you go stream anybody in song because they don't care about you. You see politicians, Nana do not you know streaming Shatta Wale num. But Omia, if they stream Shatta Wale in song. Kede Japan, you get time they stream somebody in song. But Shatta Wale they fight for them instead of fighting for the very people that will stream. Every day, Shatta Wale, don't post any of your links again. Don't post it. Abi you say street. For link you go to street in so. Now street for no. Make them stream for the street. Make them stream for there. Abi you because you know go school, you don't know say it be global street with the top. You have no idea. We move the street come the internet. You don't know. The street where we did top for the internet top. The street is now global. You don't know. Shatta Wale, be reasonable. You get up, then they post links, say, make them go view something. Then you even have the heart. When you are there, oh you young for we are. Now we are not sorry the link about to us. I'm going to stream out. Now we just can go bottom. Oh here ni na o si oye fool. Oh here ni na o si oye fool. On fan is can go stream you on your mouth. Now we are now scanner be go bottom. Now they are to Range Rover. Now about internet so. Now I can't kwasi asem. Na mintua mu nyina aka. Se ne yese e fata mu bia. Onyankopon embo ye nyina ho ban. The street, we are demanding justice for Kaka and the rest. And anybody where you say you are a street boy and you know what it means to hustle, and you say you will not support the agenda to seek justice for our brothers, our people, our Zongo people, because omuye mpepe for nintinu, omu hia meboa, because omuye mpepe for mwatiti Ghana mu up Charlie. Because omuye nkremofo ntinu, omu hia. Because omunye achimfo, omunye mfantifo, but you have forgotten say it be one Ghana where we all the seek. It be the progress of Ghana with the seek, the development of Ghana. All we asking is that you said we have the men. We're giving you the mandate. So we have the men. So fix the country. Fix the country now, it's a problem. Onyame, unless there is no God, make it judge every faker. Make it judge every faker. May God judge all of us if we are not real. Make it judge all of us. Make God bring us all down. Make nobody survive. Big up Shatalito. Big up yourself. And big up Bemu Drake, big up all my boys, big up the Fala Nation. Fala, we move. Tell everybody. Obi bia why na adwen say ono opese oma enimguase eka street no. Nenim begu ase. You see say it no be anybody where they bring them down. It be them themselves. I keep on saying this. Big up yourself. Big up yourself, Philip. Philip Seba. Fiakuno, big up yourself. Alex G, big up yourself. I keep on saying this every day. Say Obi Bia only Ghana at heart. That person do not deserve our support, our help, our sweat, our money. Inti so mu raise abon na. Omo nko no omo busiafo no. Omo fa abon nko ma politicians no. Make the politicians stream the album. You came with the street and now you say the street are fucking foolish educators. You are calling the street fools because we stood up for you when there was nobody. We fought for you. Now Amoka said, when Shatawale started this, nobody talked for him. We stood up. We advised Shatawale to do this thing. In Kayen and Quebec started demonstration. No? But Shatawale didn't listen. Shatawale said he just want to do his music and enjoy his money. He don't like any stress. Sitting in coffee, big up yourself. Big up yourself, Pa. Tanku, big up yourself. Shatawale say he don't like any stress. He won't do his music, they enjoy his money. Into here there, you ain't stress it. If you dey street, where right now you be street boy, know where you stand because hey, I say onam na me ma to be to me home. Me na ma me to me home because me I can't count on the police for survival. I am in charge of my own security. Big up the Fala Nation manager, Melo Mankwe. Big up yourself. Fala manager, big up yourself. And this remind me, Fala Nation at 1 anniversary is happening in Takoradi this coming weekend, starting from Friday. Saturday they are playing football with other groups, and then Sunday is special party. They've made a lot of things. In fact, if you are close to that area, go and support the thing that is going on there. And I hear the Fala Nation of Accra is moving from Accra to join them in Takoradi for a big anniversary over there. Anybody where you feel say you want manager and just join the family and let's go and enjoy ourselves. Let's support each other on the street because the street grow we don't know anybody. We don't know Shatawale unless Shatawale knows the street. If Shatawale say he don't know the street today, we don't know him too. When George Floyd died, we saw Nana Addo campaigning serious for George Floyd this thing. Omu tweety any ade. Mo say Nana Addo abekasa. Nana Addo, I challenge you to come out and talk. And you have to bring everybody to. We have to see people go jail. You know, you say 2 people have been arrested. Now there are news. And yeah, tissue biom. Now you say why you can see a crowd court. Hey, we demand justice for Kaka. We demand justice now. We dey street. We don't know anybody. God bless you. And big up everybody where they stand for this thing. Everybody where has been speaking the truth. Big up Kodia this thing. My brother Kodia. Big up Kodia for London. Big up yourself. All the street boys way know the truth. We are standing for this thing. Standing for fix the country Ghana. Let us all arrange and go to Ghana. And let us all wear our t-shirt. Fix the country. Fix the country. In fact, from next week, we are designing Fix the Country t-shirts. It's coming out. Fix the Country t-shirts are coming out. We are designing it and it's coming out. And if anybody wants some, we'll drop the numbers, make you get a t-shirt because we'll wear it on the street when the day comes. I'll wear my own. We'll all be on the street. Now for the most of you, Amonka say a coward. Me, I'll be coward. You see my face, I fear death. You know how many deaths I see. You know how many lives we've seen being lost on the street. We know how many blood we have cleaned on the street. And you dare they talk nonsense. May God bless you. Big up yourself. We will come again when it's necessary. Fala, we move. I love you all.